Hi friends, how are you? Hope you all are fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today our new video is very beautiful crocheted mini shoulder bags. There is no denying that crochet handbags are having a moment. The intricate handmade designs are popping up everyone from high and fashion brands to independent designer stores. And if you are looking for a stylish new bag or a unique gift, these beautiful bags are definitely worth checking out. So, what makes bags so special? For starters, each one is completely unique, no two are exactly alike. And because they are handmade with love, they have a very special touch that you just cannot find in handmade items. How are they made? Bags are made by a series of stitches on a base chain. The number of stitches in the base chain will determine the width of the bag. When the desired width is achieved, the rows are worked back and forth to create the height of the bag. Bags can be used for a variety of purposes, such as carrying books, groceries, or even small children. Are they stylish? Yes, bags are definitely in fashion right now. They come in all kinds of colors and styles, so you are sure to find one that perfectly suits your personal taste. Handbags are not a few fashion trend. In fact, they have been around for centuries. The history of crochet is interesting and inspiring. According to some sources, was first used in the 16th century by sailors in the Mediterranean regions. They made clothes and other items with yarn and string during long voyages. When they returned home, they brought their crocheted treasures with them. Purses are a current fashion trend and can be styled in many ways. The most popular way to style a bag is with a maxi dress and sandals. This look is perfect for a summer day or evening. You can also wear a crochet bag with jeans and a t-shirt for a more casual look. Today we bring you a mega passionate tutorial. The image and content created for this pattern is directed official websites. Very beautiful crocheted designs. Handbags are not a few fashion trends. In fact, they have been around for centuries. Are the stylish bags are definitely fashion right now. They come in all kinds of colors and styles, so you are sure to find one that perfectly suits your personal taste. Handbags are not a few fashion trends. In fact, they have been around for centuries. The